Have you ever wondered who first discovered the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter? This colossal planet, famed for its grandeur and mesmerizing beauty, was not discovered by a single individual with a state-of-the-art telescope, but rather it was observed by the ancient Babylonians thousands of years ago. You see, Jupiter is one of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye from Earth. And the Babylonians, with their keen interest in the night sky, didn't miss this bright object. They tracked its movement, meticulously recorded its path, and even associated it with their god, Marduk. These early observations not only signified Jupiter's importance in their culture, but also laid the foundation for the understanding of astronomy. Their observations allowed them to predict its path, its retrograde motion, and its period of rotation, contributing significantly to the development of our early astronomical knowledge. So, while we may not be able to pinpoint a single discoverer, we can certainly appreciate the ancient Babylonians for their early observations of Jupiter. But how has our understanding of Jupiter evolved over the centuries? It's a fascinating journey indeed. Let's delve into the annals of history and trace this journey back to its roots. Centuries ago, the people of ancient civilizations looked up at the sky and saw a bright point of light, stronger than any star, moving against the backdrop of the cosmos. They named it after Jupiter, the king of the Roman gods. But the detailed study of this celestial body had to wait until the invention of a revolutionary instrument, the telescope. In the early 17th century, a man named Galileo Galilei pointed his rudimentary telescope towards the night sky and changed the course of our understanding of the universe. His observations revealed 4 tiny points of light that seemed to be dancing around Jupiter. These were later known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. This was the first time that celestial bodies were observed orbiting something other than Earth, challenging the long-held belief that Earth was the center of the universe. The significance of Galileo's discoveries cannot be overstated. They lent strong support to the heliocentric model of the solar system, where the sun, not the Earth, is at the center. This was a paradigm shift that altered our understanding of our place in the cosmos. As centuries passed, our gaze towards Jupiter became sharper and more discerning. The invention of more advanced telescopes allowed us to study Jupiter's atmospheric composition, its massive storms, and its complex ring system. The Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, has given us stunning images of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging on the planet for at least 4 centuries. In the 20th and 21st centuries, our exploration of Jupiter took a giant leap forward with the advent of space travel. Unmanned spacecraft like Pioneer, Voyager, Galileo, Juno, and others have visited Jupiter, sending back invaluable data that have deepened our understanding of this gas giant. From Galileo's telescope to modern spacecraft, our view of Jupiter has certainly come a long way. Our journey of discovery is far from over, with each new observation bringing more questions than answers. But isn't that the beauty of exploring the unknown? What do we know about Jupiter today thanks to modern space exploration? Well, let's begin with the Pioneer missions. In the early 70s, Pioneer 10 and 11 were the first spacecrafts to visit Jupiter. They gave us our initial close-up views of the gas giant and its moons, and most notably discovered Jupiter's faint ring system. Then, in the late 70s, the Voyager missions took over. Voyager 1 and 2 flew by Jupiter, providing us with even more detailed images and data. They discovered volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon Io and lightning in Jupiter's atmosphere. These missions also detected the presence of sulfur in the Jovian atmosphere, painting a diverse and dynamic picture of Jupiter's atmospheric composition. In the late 90s, the Galileo orbiter arrived at Jupiter, named after the same Galileo Galilei who first observed Jupiter's 4 largest moons. The Galileo mission spent 8 years studying the Jovian system, unveiling new insights about its moons and the planet's magnetic field. Galileo also dropped a probe into Jupiter's atmosphere, giving us direct measurements of its composition and winds for the first time. Most recently, we have the Juno mission, which arrived at Jupiter in 2016. Juno is designed to peer beneath Jupiter's thick cloud cover and study its auroras. The spacecraft has already unveiled a trove of discoveries, from Jupiter's complex storm systems to its surprisingly irregular magnetic field. The modern exploration of Jupiter has been a journey of discovery, each mission building on the insights of the previous ones. We've learned about Jupiter's rings, its moons, its atmosphere, and its magnetic field. We've peered beneath its clouds and listened to its auroras, we've seen its storms and felt its winds. These missions have not only expanded our knowledge of Jupiter but also raised intriguing new questions about this gas giant. Every answer we uncover about Jupiter seems to lead us to a new question, a new mystery to solve, and that's the beauty of space exploration. The more we learn, the more we realize there is to discover. Now you must be wondering, what role does Jupiter play in our solar system? Well, it turns out Jupiter is a bit of a cosmic bodyguard. Thanks to its massive size and powerful gravitational pull, Jupiter acts like a celestial shield, protecting the inner planets from potential threats. Imagine a cosmic game of billiards with comets, asteroids, and other space debris as the balls. Jupiter, with its strong gravitational field, can deflect these space objects, preventing them from hurtling towards Earth and the other inner planets. But Jupiter's influence extends beyond just protection. Some scientists believe that Jupiter has played a significant role in the formation and evolution of our solar system. Picture this: about 4.5 billion years ago, when the solar system was just a spinning disk of gas and dust, Jupiter, with its massive gravitational influence, may have helped shape the structure and composition of the other planets. In a way, Jupiter might have even been a key player in the creation of Earth as we know it. It's thought that the gas giant's gravitational force could have stirred up the material in the early solar system, leading to the formation of our planet. So, Jupiter is not just the biggest planet in our solar system, it's also a protector and a creator. It's a force that helps maintain the equilibrium of our cosmic neighborhood. Jupiter, it seems, plays a crucial role in keeping our solar system in balance. So what have we learned about Jupiter? We've journeyed through time, from its ancient discovery to the modern explorations that continue to unravel its mysteries. We've learned that Jupiter, with its massive presence, plays a pivotal role in our solar system. Its unique attributes, its history, and its influence on our cosmic neighborhood have been the focus of our discussion. As we continue to chart the vast expanse of the cosmos, who knows what new secrets Jupiter might reveal?